Well, looks like the shit's about to hit the fan again. Yep. Move to Illinois, they said. It'll be good for your health, they said. The weather's going to be better. The air's going to be better. It's all going to be better. Yep. Move to Illinois. Well, here we go again. Move to Illinois. Yeah. Weather's going to be better. Air quality's going to be better. Standard of living's going to be better. Yeah. We haven't had a normal rain shower here since we got here. It's either fucking overcast or fucking pouring. Never anything in between. And this doesn't look like it's going to be any different. And right on schedule, here comes the rain and the thunder and the lightning. I'm just going to let this run because I want you to see what happens to my gutters, like within 5 or 6 minutes of when it rains. Because they did not build this house right. They just didn't. Yeah, it's raining sideways here. Yep. Oh, I'm getting a second shower. Part 2. All right, the rain just started and right on schedule. Look, see, there it goes. There it goes. Look at my gutters. Look at my gutters. Right on schedule. Look at that, will you? Ah, there it goes. Okay, yep. Uh-huh. See that? You see that? Tell me that's fucking normal. Tell me. Fucking tell me that's fucking normal. Yeah, moved to Illinois.